Welcome to this relaxing meditation to relieve stress and anxiety. Find a comfortable sitting position with your head balanced atop the spine. Begin to draw in a slow and deep breath, filling your lungs as much as you can. Holding the breath for just a moment at the top. And then exhaling, allowing your eyes to close and your body to relax. Breathing in deeply once again, holding the breath for as long as comfortable. As you exhale, let your body sink down even more as your relaxation doubles. Take note of how you feel right now. I bet you are already more relaxed than before you started this meditation. Your eyes are closed. The darkness of the eyelids is comforting. You have nowhere to be right now and nothing to do. Enjoy this moment of stillness. Now center your attention to the palms of your hands. Notice any sensations that you feel in the palms. You can imagine that your hands are feeling very heavy and relaxed. The more you focus on the palms of your hands, the more you slip into a deep meditative state. Whenever your mind wanders away, following a thought, it's okay. Simply return your awareness to the palms. Feeling every sensation in the palm of your hands. This is very relaxing. As each moment passes by, all anxiety and stress melt away from the body and the mind. Can you bring your attention to your breath now without changing it in any way? Just notice how you are breathing. The gentle awareness of how each breath is bringing you life. Allow for each breath to relax you more and more. Meditation is very beneficial for the mind and body. It will bring a sense of peace and calm to your life if you practice daily and with dedication. Relaxation and stress cannot coexist. You are doing so well. Return your focus one last time to the palms of your hands. The heaviness, the gentle sensations. Wonderful. Let yourself rise from this session, feeling a profound sense of peace and newfound energy. You may open your eyes whenever you feel ready. Namaste.